But first, our top story. Rahul Gandhi back from his 50-day plus sabbatical. Will his return make any difference at all for the Congress party?
57 days, many missed arrival dates and numerous political jokes later, Rahul Gandhi finally returned to the capital from his sabbatical on Thursday morning. The Congress Vice President, whose vanishing act left his party to defend his leave of absence at the onset of a crucial budget session, was welcomed by NDTV.
Well, Rahul Gandhi back in India, will it make any difference to the fortunes of the Congress party? Joining us to debate this, Abhishek Singhvi, spokesperson of the Congress party, Sudhanshu Trivedi, spokesperson of the BJP, Mr. K.C. Tyagi, the Rajya Sabha MP of the JDU, Shekhar Gupta, the well-known editor with us, Ashok Malik, another columnist and editor, Pawan Khera, member of the Congress party's political wing and political analyst. Thank you all very much for joining us. Dr. Singhvi, let me come across to you first. It's been more than 50 days since Rahul Gandhi has been out of the country. He's back now. He's a public face. Do we not have a right to know where he went and what he did?
Let me be very clear, Vishnu. A complete storm in a teacup. Let me start by candidly saying that the timing could have been better of his departure.
Okay.
But to suggest that political leaders cannot take time off, be it for introspection, be it to be with themselves, or indeed be it for vacation, and to make such a lot of hullabaloo about it on social media and the media, is clearly premeditated. Of course, we understand we live in 24/7 media and it suits our political opponents to splash this, but certainly Rahul Gandhi has done nothing which calls for this kind of a very cynical and a very caustic approach.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, is that something that you accept?
That the timing could have been different,
that a political leader has every right to go on a sabbatical, and the Congress seems to suggest that even a 50-day sabbatical is okay. It's actually 57 days.
No, I think we should not have any authority to put a question mark on whatever Rahul Gandhi is doing, because he is a prince, he is a Yuvraj. So he is having the authority. If he wants to tear apart the ordinance of his government, it is his right. If he wants to go out of the country, I think after the great escape of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, I think this will be the second great escape of a senior leader who has suddenly vanished from the eyes of the public, and suddenly he disappeared, and then suddenly he reappeared.
Okay, not sure I agree with that comparison between Rahul and Netaji, but
Charles II.
Okay, okay.
So in my opinion, it is a more important matter.
I'll come to you in a moment, Dr. Singhvi. I'll come to you next.
Half a second only.
It is more important issue for the congressmen, not for the country, because so many crucial debates were there in the parliament, but Rahul Gandhi was not present. So I think this is not that much important issue for the country. If Rahul Gandhi would have thought the importance of country, then he should have been present.
Dr. Singhvi, answer that question first. What comes first for Rahul? His leave of absence.
I was trying to interrupt. I was trying.
No, Dr. Singhvi, it's a basic issue. Does the country come first for him, or does this leave of absence? People say he was meditating. People say that he was contemplating. He was introspecting. So then, what is more important for him? Himself or the country or parliament?
Let me say. Can I speak, please?
Yes, sir.
I was going to say, Vishnu, that my friend Mr. Sudhanshu, who frequently says matters of substance, has just validated my point. Analyze his reply. Each of the 2 or 3 things he has said is nothing but poking fun, being caustic, being sarcastic, but nothing relevant to the point. The point I made is simple. While I agree that the timing could have been better, or perhaps not so sudden, I believe that Rahul Gandhi has every possible right to take time off for any
everybody
of the
has a right to go away.
Combination thereof.
Everybody has a right to go away for as long as you want. The question is whether it's correct.
No, let me to suggest that it is not correct, that he has left the country, that he doesn't care for the country, that he's not interested in the Congress or the Congress
party.
But
how interested is he is the question, sir. Not that he's not, he's completely uninterested. The question is how interested.
Vishnu, let me tell you,
sir,
you did not ask this question. You did not ask this question. You did not ask this question when the Congress was winning state after state and the country twice.
There is reason now to ask the question, sir.
Just because there are some bad times,
Shekhar,
he did go out earlier.
Abhishek Singh
but it's
makes
just
the
because we
point
lost the elections,
that
very
we can't
unfair
really
to
question a leader
castigate
for
Rahul
going out
Gandhi
for
like
50
this.
days.
He went out earlier
And
as well.
everybody has a right to go out. He's right. He's technically right. Everybody has the right to go out.
Look, I will accept that too. Everybody.
Look, Rahul Gandhi has been very active on the ground for more than 10 years. He has not taken this long a holiday earlier.
Mr. Tyagi says
He
he's
has
been on the
taken
ground for
breaks
35, 40
when-
years, sir.
just can I answer? Yes, of course. He's a much older man than Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Rahul Gandhi is a younger man.
But he's
and I
not taken
respect
a 50-day break, sir.
Tyagi's political lineage. I don't. Well, he may not have, but I don't quite agree with that. I think contemporary politics does not require that Mr. Tyagi, and I sympathize with him and his family, has not taken in 40 years a total of 50-day break. I don't agree with that.
No, 50
Now we
days
can have
in
a
one
very
go, sir.
respectful, dignified difference of opinion. Can I just, therefore, let me just complete. You know, all over the world, it is not that public figures in Europe and America are not having bleeding hearts for the poor and the deprived, but they take holidays. Perhaps it even improves their performance. Now I agree.
Okay.
In fact, Rahul Gandhi has not taken this long a break earlier. When he took breaks earlier because we were in power and we were winning elections, there was not this kind of hullabaloo. Now the answer to Mr. Tyagi specifically is that Mr. Rahul Gandhi's identification with social causes is not diminished. Whenever Vishnu, you take a long break, there are bound to be matters of national importance and critical importance happening in a country like India. There is never a dull day in India. That does not mean that Rahul Gandhi has left those causes. Just
Sir,
note one
the
example.
1st of June
the entire
2014,
Abhiyan against
Dr. Singhvi,
the entire Abhiyan against the ordinance and the anti-farmer movement,
Dr. Singhvi,
it has been going on
the
in
1st
different
of
parts
June
of India, and
2014
will
to
go
the
again on
20th
19th
of
April
March 2015,
under Mrs. Sonia Gandhi
Rahul
and
Gandhi's
leadership.
attendance in
It is not
Parliament,
diminished or diluted.
49%, participation in debates 1, questions 0. This is the leader
Naturally,
who we
he
are
has been away for
asking
the last
questions
55
from.
days.
This is the leader
No, let me tell
who,
you,
was,
let me
who
tell
the
you,
Congress believed
even
could have
in the
been
last
a
10
Prime
years-
Minister of this country. Therefore, when he goes out for 50 days,
No,
I
one
take
minute,
your
Vishnu,
point,
that's
sir.
unfair.
I take your
Vishnu,
point
I
that
let
he
me tell
needed
you.
a break.
No, Vishnu,
but
one
the
minute.
question
One-
others
one
are
second.
asking is, how
No,
is
one
he
second.
serious about his job? He has committed to a job.
Not one of you. I didn't. Vishnu, I didn't expect the opposition or other parties, but I expected at least some of your channels would have also noted that in this tenure of UPA power, how many times he has done absolute ground root level abhiyans. He has been on the ground in heat and cold when everybody else has been enjoying their drawing rooms in Delhi. Nobody takes note of that. He has a different style of politics. He has done it enough times. I don't think he has to prove that he can't go to the ground.
Well,
It's a
Amrinder
different
Singh, your
matter,
party
and I
leader, has
repeat
said
that, yes,
you have to
perhaps
gain
the timing was
experience by
sudden,
individually
perhaps the
meeting
timing
people
could be
across the
different.
country
That's about it.
and maintain people-to-people contact. He was talking about
No,
Rahul
no,
Gandhi. So there's a
no,
dispute
no,
within your
Vishnu,
own party on
it
this.
is sorry. It is sad and sorry that politicians who have no other issue would, and I mean the BJP, I don't mean Mr. Tyagi at all, because
No,
I
I
respect
was
his views.
quoting a Congress leader.